Yan, baklas tayo ng mga makina loads. Isa na naman project to. At gagawing i-upgrade ang makina. Ayan o. 6.2 engine. Binabaklas po natin. Kasi upgrade ang we will going to upgrade the engine. We'll put the racing pumps, pistons, new bearings for racing, and etc. Tartib shoy. Sapay karubay ha.